Alright, I'm going to show the different modes to this shower head that I purchased on Amazon, that I got on Amazon. I am seeing a lot of pictures of it, but not a lot of videos. I just want to show the different modes. We got the black matte one, and I'm going to turn it this way so I can turn it on. This is one of my favorite modes, just the normal stream. Let's see. This one's more of a mist. So it's coming out in the center. It's also a mist. See if I can get the shower head on. There's a knob on the side, and very similar modes to the main shower head. Actually, the exact same modes to the shower head, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit this switch right back over here on the other side to turn the main one back on. And put that back up there. And you can, let me turn this off so I'm not getting wet because my whole entire hand is wet. So you can adjust the head to fit how you would like the flow to come out. We obviously have ours faced down. We have ours face down. The shower head can also go up higher. Don't know why you'd ever want it that high, but that is it.
I like it. It's a very, very cool design. I like the water. Once you're under this, it really relaxes you. I really would say that. They really did pay a lot of attention to detail when it came to the shower head. So when you go under this, you're totally, you can move it around. I like that. And then I like this. The only thing I don't like, it's the option that you have to climb up to change the settings, the shower head settings. You have to climb to change it. So if you want this setting instead of this setting, you have to climb and change it from up here, which I think is a little inconvenient, but I don't mind. Most of us use the wrong shower head, but I use this, especially when I'm washing my hair. I use the smaller one, and this have a lot of settings. They have about the water pressure on this is very strong. They have about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 to 6 water pressure option, and I really appreciate that. I'll give this 5 stars. 5 star. Even though the material is plastic, if you really take care of it, it can last you a really long time.
So here it is. And you can adjust it. We already have the setting, but you have quite the after settings. We had it on an arm. If you have it on an arm, we ended up needing to have 2 gaskets in there on the arm side to have it stop leaking. But overall, it's now pretty dry and nothing is needed. And you can do both sides, one at a time. of this, and however you want to do your settings, you've got quite the options. So there's a lot to choose from. And then another one. Do those different settings. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright, try doing both at the same time. Quick video. Here's a quick video on the different. Oh wow. Okay.